They dominated the SOP campus front act for 4 consecutive weeks. And now, the company of Ateneo Dancers is back with a vengeance. Watch them as they once again take the dance challenge here in the...